Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm back with a new video. Following popular requests from our followers, I'll be showing you how to generate Flash USDT using Tron mainnet, TRC20, and send it to the Binance exchange. First, we install the Google Chrome extension of our TronLink wallet in our browser, then, we log into our TronLink wallet. After logging in, we'll be greeted by a screen like this. Friends, as I mentioned in our last video, in order to produce Flash USDT, we need to have a certain amount of Tron, or TRX, in our account. As in the last video, I will show you the required amounts in a table. To generate $100,000 worth of Flash USDT, we need at least 1,000 TRX, Tron, in our account. To generate $150,000 worth of Flash USDT, we need 1,500 TRX, and to generate $200,000 worth of Flash USDT, we need at least 2,000 TRX, Tron. After loading the TRX, Tron, required for the desired amount of Flash USDT into our account, we can move on to Step 2. Step 2. Log into tradable.io. I'll share these links with you in the video description and comments section. After logging into the site, we click on the Create New File option in the upper left corner. After typing USDT in the Open section and pressing Enter, we copy the entire code you will obtain from the link in the description and comments section of the video, go back to the Trinide.os site, right-click and paste it. After pasting the code, we enter the Solidity Compile section on the left. Now we need to select a version. The version we need is 0.5.10 plus commit. After finding and selecting this version, we click the Compile USDT button. After the compile process is completed, we go back to the Deploy Run Transaction section on the left. In order to withdraw the Flash USDTs we will create to our account and to create a smart contract linked to our account, we need to connect our TronLink wallet here. Click the Injected TronWeb option in this section and connect your TronLink wallet. Don't forget to confirm your account after connecting it. The account address here must match the address on your TronLink account. Then, in the Contract section located just below, we select the TronFlashSpot option and continue. In the Deploy section that opens, we write Tether token in the Token Name section and USDT in the Symbol section. We click the Transcat button. When creating a smart contract on the Tron network, users are charged a one-time contract creation fee. Don't let this fee, which ranges from $15 to $17, intimidate us, as it's a one-time fee. Now, we click the Sign button. Now our smart contract address will be created. As you can see, it's here. We copy the smart contract address that I created. After copying it, we go to the TronScan website from the link you will find in the description and comments section of the video. Right-click here and paste. Because the Tron network is a bit slow, the smart contract address we created might not appear immediately. Wait 10 to 15 seconds and refresh the page to see it appear here. After refreshing and pasting the page again, as you can see, the SmartEC contract address we created appears. Now, click and enter our SmartEC contract address. Now we need to send TRX or Tron to the smart contract address we created, in the amount of Flash USDT we want to create. We open our TronLink app. Click Send. Paste the copied smart contract address here. We click on Next. In the field that opens, enter the TRX amount you want to generate for Flash USDT. Since we'll be generating $100,000 worth of Flash USDT, enter 1,000 and click Send. We click on the Sign button. Yes, after confirm, the TRX or Trons we sent will appear here. We're refreshing the page. Yes, as you can see, the TRXs we sent have arrived. Unlike Etherscan, you can see the dollar value of the TRXs here. For a more detailed look, you can view the transfer details below. As you can see, the 1,000 TRXs we sent are visible here. Step 3. Return to the Trinide.io website. Click the Generate Flash USDT option below and begin generating your Flash USDTs. After clicking, we click on the Sign button. Now we're waiting for approval. Once approved, you'll see it in the section below. Yes, as you can see, it's approved. Let me move it up a little so you can see it better. Now we press the withdraw button and upload the Flash USDTs we created to our Tronlink wallet. We clicked sign. We are waiting for confirmation again. Yes, as you can see, it's been approved. The Flash USDTs we created have been loaded into our account. We open our Tronlink application again. It will be reflected in our account in 10 to 15 seconds. We click refresh. As you can see, the Flash USDTs we created have been uploaded to our Tronlink wallet. We close Tronlink and reopen it. Now you can see the exact Flash USDTs we created. I'll click refresh again so you can see it's not Photoshop. Now I will show you how to send the Flash USDTs we created to the Binance exchange. We install the Binance Wallet app's Google Chrome extension on our browser. We log into our wallet account. After logging in, we'll see a screen like this. We click the Receive button. We select the USDT option. As you can see, we'll send using TRC20. After copying the address, we open our Tronlink app again. After opening our Tronlink application, we click on the Send option. We paste the wallet address we copied from our Binance wallet here. Here, we select the USDT option. We enter $100,000 into the box that opens and click Continue. Since the network is already TRC20, the Tron network, there won't be any problems. Click Sign and send the Flash USDTs. As you can see, USDTs have been sent. Now let's open the Binance wallet and check. Yes, as you can see, the USDTs have been transferred to our account. I'm refreshing it so you can see that it's not Photoshop. You can use these flashes however you like. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact me via my Telegram address in the video description. I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel and like my video. See you in the next video. Stay well.